Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss various terms for accounting for share capital. First one is prospectus. It is an invitation to the public for subscription of shares or debentures. It may be the any leaflet, it may be the pamphlets, it may be the newspaper article or ad or any other medium which invites the public for the subscription to the shares of that company. Second one is capital. In case of company, money is contributed by public and people who contributed money are called shareholders. Then third one is share capital. Capital raised by issue of share is called share capital and it is of different kinds. So let's discuss them. One is authorized capital. It is also called as nominal capital or registered capital. It is the maximum capital of amount of capital a company can issue. It is stated in memorandum of association. Then issued capital. It is the part of authorized capital which is offered to public for subscription. It cannot exceed authorized capital. Then called up capital. It is the amount of nominal value of shares that has been called up by the company for payment by the subscriber towards the shares. यानी कि वो पैसा जो हमने मांग लिया है शेयर होल्डर्स से. Next one is paid up capital. It is the part of called up capital that the members of company or shareholders have already paid. Last one is reserve capital. It is the portion of uncalled share capital which can be called only in case of winding up. ये कैपिटल का वो पार्ट है जो हमने शेयर होल्डर से मांगा ही नहीं और इसको हम मांगेंगे भी कब, जब कंपनी बंद होने जा रही होगी. नेक्स्ट इज कैपिटल रिजर्व. इट इज़ द कैपिटल प्रॉफिट नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एज डिविडेंड. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये जो रिजर्व कैपिटल और कैपिटल रिजर्व है इसको आप अच्छे से पढ़ें क्योंकि ये बोर्ड में अक्सर सवाल पूछा जाता है. डिस्क्लोजर ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल इन कंपनीज बैलेंस शीट. वी विल डिस्कसिंग इट लेटर ऑन. व्हाट आर द वेरियस mode or methods to issue shares? Let's discuss. Shares are issued at par when they are issued at a price equal to the face value. A share with the face value of 10 issued at ₹10. यानी कि जितने का शेयर का प्राइस हमने डिसाइड किया है हम उसे पब्लिक को उतने ही में बेच रहे हैं तो इसे कहलाता है इशू ऑफ शेयर एट पार. दूसरा हमारा मेथड है इशू ऑफ शेयर एट प्रीमियम. Shares are issued at premium to the public by well-managed and financially strong companies through the IPO. IPO stands for Initial Public Offer. Here called वैल्यू इज़ ग्रेटर देन फेस वैल्यू यानी कि 10 रुपये का शेयर हम 10 से ज़्यादा में बेचेंगे. जो एक्स्ट्रा पैसा लिया है वो कहलाता है सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व. उसके लिए आपको उसका सेपरेट अकाउंट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. जो प्रीमियम द प्रीमियम कैन बी कॉल्ड विद एनी इंस्टॉलमेंट लाइक एप्लीकेशन अलॉटमेंट फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल एंड सो ऑन. In absence of information, the amount of premium is to be recorded at the time of allotment only. What are the uses of the security premium reserve? Under section 52 of Company Act 2013, amount of security premium reserve can be used for the following purposes only. It is restricted to use. They are to issue fully paid up bonus share to the shareholders, to buy back its own share as per section 68, and to write off preliminary expenses, commission paid, discount allowed on issue of share or debentures. What is calls in arrear? It refers to the amount which has not been paid up by the shareholders on allotment or calls made by the company till the last day fixed by the company for payments. Company can charge interest at 10% per annum from the due date to the date of actual payment. And the second term is calls in advance. Account is shown separately in the balance sheet. It refers to the amount which has not called up by the company but has been paid by some shareholder in advance. Company is required to pay interest at 12% per annum. एरियर अगर शेयर होल्डर ने पैसा नहीं दिया वो लेट करता है तो उससे 10% पर एनम इंटरेस्ट चार्ज होगा और अगर किसी ने एडवांस दे दिया तो उसको कंपनी 12% इंटरेस्ट देगी. टाइप्स ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन, सब्सक्रिप्शन शेयर खरीदने से रिलेटेड है. समटाइम्स बाई चांस द नंबर ऑफ शेयर अप्लाइड by the public is same as the number of share offered by the company. This situation is known as normal subscription. Another one is under subscription. Under this situation, the number of share applied for is less than share offered to the public for subscription. All the applicants for share are accepted. Accounting entries are made on the basis of number of share applied for by the public rather than offered for. Next is minimum subscription. It is defined in section 39 of Companies Act 2013, and what it is the amount which must be subscribed by the public according to the Companies Act. Minimum subscription has been fixed at 90% of invited amount. अगर हमने 100 शेयर ऑफर किए हैं तो 90 कम से कम बिक जाने चाहिए. Last situation is over subscription. Shares are issued to the public by well managed and financially strong companies through the IPO. Over subscription is the situation where share applied is more than the share offered. 100 शेयर बेचना चाहते हैं, पब्लिक ने 150 शेयर के लिए अप्लाई कर दिया. The board of directors cannot allot share more than the offer to the public for subscription. जितने शेयर ऑफर किए हैं उससे ज़्यादा आप इशू नहीं कर सकते हैं. इस सिचुएशन में 3 ऑल्टरनेटिव हमारे पास होते हैं. जो एक्स्ट्रा एप्लीकेशन है उन्हें रिजेक्ट कर दें, या सबको कुछ रिड्यूस्ड अप्रोप्रिएट शेयर्स दे दें, या फिर कुछ को फुल अलॉटमेंट दे दें और कुछ को रिजेक्शन दे दें. समटाइम्स कुछ शेयर होल्डर्स होते हैं हमारे जो पैसा नहीं देते हैं, उनके शेयर्स को हम कैंसिल कर देते हैं. उस कैंसिलेशन को हम फॉरफीचर ऑफ शेयर कहते हैं. शेयर होल्डर्स फेल टू पे द कॉल्ड अप मनी ऑन अलॉटमेंट एंड फर्दर कॉल्स. शेयर्स कैन बी कैंसिल्ड एंड अमाउंट रिलेटेडली ऑलरेडी पेड मे बी फॉरफीटेड. Forfeiture notice is given, and what it is: the name of the shareholder is removed from the register of members. Members के लिस्ट में से उस आदमी का नाम काट दिया जाता है, शेयर होल्डर का. Amount already received on these shares forfeited by the company. जो पैसा उस बंदे ने कंपनी को पे कर दिया है वो जब्त कर लिया जाता है. इस जब्त करने को ही आप क्या कहते हैं? फॉरफीचर कहते हैं. द फॉरफिटेड अमाउंट शैल बी ट्रांसफर टू न्यूली ओपन शेयर फॉरफीचर अकाउंट. जो पैसा आपने फॉरफिट किया है उसको इस पर्टिकुलर अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे. शेयर होल्डर्स fails to pay the called up money on allotment and future calls. Shares can be cancelled and amount already paid may be forfeited. And this was all. Thank you. Have a good day.